My name's Emily, I'm from Cynllun and I have a degree in sociology and social policy.
My name's Aaron, I'm from Dolgellau and I studied Welsh and History at Aberystwyth University.
I'm Meilir, I'm from Carnarvon and I studied a business degree at Bangor University.
So my job title is Professional Trainee in Registration, so births, deaths and marriages, and I work in the Council's Corporate Support Department.
I'm a professional trainee in the Finance Department.
I'm a wellbeing professional trainee with a learning disability service that falls under the Adult Health and Wellbeing Department.
I applied for Cynllun Yfory because I thought it was quite a unique opportunity actually to gain practical experience in the area that you're working in, able to develop your skills and work towards a qualification as well, and you get to do all of that while earning a salary.
I think one of the main reasons I tried for Cynllun Yfory was I regretted not applying for accountancy in university in the first place. So the opportunity to complete an accountancy degree funded by the council as part of my job was a golden opportunity.
The Cynllun's a great opportunity to study a postgraduate degree whilst working, so that's the primary factor for me.
The one experience that stays in my mind so far on the Cynllun Yfory, I think I'd actually have to go back right to the beginning, to the assessment centre. 2 quite challenging days. I'd never experienced anything like that before, totally new to me, and I actually thought I'd done quite poorly in the morning on the first day during the tasks, but there was plenty of opportunities for me to kind of make up for any mistakes I thought I'd made, and with the interview on the second day, which I quite enjoyed, I think that was one that will stick in the mind.
There's been a lot of great opportunities over the past 6 months, but I think one of the most memorable, specifically with Cynllun Yfory, was the team building day. It showed that the council really cared for the well-being of their staff.
I was lucky enough to work with the Learning Disability Service on a project where we developed a shop here in Carnarvon, and I think that's the one that stands out.
The best thing about being a part of Cynllun Yfory is I get to work fairly local and I get to work through the medium of Welsh.
I think for me over the past 6 months, the best thing so far is the support that I've been given, be it with the accountancy degree from my colleagues in the finance department or general development, with soft skills and so on. So I think the support is one of the main things, definitely.
I'd say that the variety of opportunities is probably the best thing, and if you feel like you'd like to improve a certain aspect of yourself, you have the freedom to go and do that.
A top tip for anyone thinking of applying in 2020 would definitely be go for it. I'd advise anyone to do their research into the area you're thinking of applying for and the council in general. Make sure you prepare and make sure you have an interest in the field that you're applying for as well.
I think my main top tip would be just to go onto the current trainee blogs, have a look through there. There's further tips on there.
I'd say to just allocate enough time when writing your application, and if you have any questions, just get in touch over the social media pages.